Okay, this is a Khan Academy lesson for Tuesday, and we're learning how to translate a point on a coordinate plane. So at first it might look a little confusing. What is all this that they're talking about? But really what we're looking at is we've got a point P at 6, 0. And they didn't give it to us, but what they're talking about is that I actually have a coordinate plane and that I have a dot that's at 6, 0, and I'm calling that point P. So let's bring a point out here, and where is 6, 0? So we always start at the origin, which is 0, and the x coordinate, let's drop this down. This is our x and our y. The x is 6, so I start here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice it 1 past the 5 mark right to the 6. And in the y coordinate here is at 0, which means it doesn't move. And so this is the point, and we call this point P, because they told us. I have an image of a point P at 6, 0. And they want to know where is this point under the translation, meaning if I take this dot and I slide it somewhere, like you looked yesterday, what happened to your image, right? Did it twist? Did it turn? Did it flip? Did it slide? This word translation means to slide. And it's in this arrow here that's talking about the point is going to slide. And in here is where they tell us where it's going to slide. The x coordinate is going to go -6, which is going to be a shift to the left 6. So it'll look like this. I start here and I slide this dot to the left 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it would land here. And then I'm going to slide the y, and the y coordinate is going to slide -1. Remember, y goes up and down, so -1 would mean that I'm going to slide down 1 point. So where would this dot land up then? And what we have is that with a slide of 6 to the left and 1 down, this will be the place of my new dot. So let's erase the highlighting that we did. That was just to help you see what was going on, and here we have it. Here's point P, and this one is what they call P, and this little apostrophe here is called the word prime. We call this second dot P prime. That's what that apostrophe stands for. And that's where it'll land up after a translation or a slide of -6 and -1. So our answer then would go into here. Where did this 0, -1 go? Well, that's the location of the new dot. The x is at 0 and the y is at -1. And so our answer is 0, -1. Let's take a quick look at the next problem you'll get in the Khan Academy translating points. And in this one, they actually gave us a coordinate plane. And what's nice, in this one, you'll actually grab this dot, and they actually want you to just slide it. Where is it going to go to? Is that where it is? And then you'll commit submit. So we've got this dot here, and you're going to be asked to drag it. Well, where am I dragging it to? And remember again, this word here, plot the image point Q. So now they've called the point Q, and we're going to slide it. That's what this arrow right here means, is that I'm going to translate or slide this dot somewhere. And where am I going to slide it? Well, just like before, the x is going to go -3, or to the left 3. So I go from this dot, and I'm going to slide to the left. 1, 2, 3, and it would land up here. And then I'm going to slide the y coordinate +4. Y is up and down, so this one goes up 4, and I slide 1, 2, 3, 4. And that would be the new location of that dot, is going to be up here. And so let's erase my highlighting here. And this is your answer. So when you come to this problem and you're going to come grab this dot and you're going to go 3 to the left and 4 up, and you'll land here, and then you'll click submit. So so there's translating points. Do the next two on your own. They're very similar, and tomorrow we'll do rotations. All right, thank you.